When I just happened to spot Jen on Facebook, I saw that and my mouth started to salivate. I knew this was a technique that was for me.
I saw Jen's advertisement and I thought, oh my gosh, this is what I need. And that's the way I said it. It's not what I wanted, it's what I needed.
I was browsing Facebook one night and I was at a point where I was looking for something to do. I've always liked texture, but I've never really found anything in the market that was like that. She was just having so much fun and I'm like, that's what I need. I need some fun right now.
I think her color grasp of trees and how they work and where she places things on the canvas, it's just, it comes together.
I hadn't painted since finger paints, you know, pictures on mom's refrigerator kind of thing. And I don't think you had either.
I had never painted,
Yeah.
so this is all new. This was one thing that we can do together because there's a lot of things that I did that Marilyn can't see to do. So we discovered this was something she could actually do without having perfect vision.
I've taken art classes, but oh my gosh, I'm old. So my classes were over 50 years ago. This course taught me so many secrets and steps and the basics, but in a fun way. Now I feel like what I'm doing is right. It's pleasing to the eye. If something's not pleasing, I know why.
It's challenging, and to be able to succeed at a challenge and to be able to be proud of what you have created is just it's the feeling that makes you know that you can do it. So you only not admire someone else's work, but now you can admire your own, which I never thought I'd be able to do.